What's up, everybody? It's your favorite mud ball slinging, worm kissing metal detectorist. That's right, I'm Snipe Detects. I'm letting you guys know an update about the snow plowing. I did get the plow fix, plowed out the driveway. Mama Snipe is safe and sound. We got about 18 inches of snow total within the last few days, and it was just real nasty out there. TikTok doesn't like me behind the wheel, so I couldn't go live when I fixed it. So anyways, just want to give you guys that update, and also go check out my merchandise, Zero Profit merchandise. You can get this sweatshirt. It's got graphics on the back, my hat. I got a whole bunch of other stuff, and be on the lookout. I might be coming out with some beep jerky. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, beep jerky by Snipe Detects. So be on the lookout. Drop a comment down below if you're interested, and I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.